Hello everyone online. Let's consider division of base numbers today. Division of base numbers today. I'll be careful. I'll be very careful in dealing with this aspect of the base number system. The truth is that many textbooks or even teachers don't solve into this area of the base number because the methods involved are so technical. So I'll be so careful to dealing with that. You should pay proper attention and try to follow the steps or the instruction I'll be passing out to you today. Division of base numbers. I want to start with base 10. I understand that you know how to divide base 10 numbers. But let me start with base 10 in trying to help you understand how to divide other base numbers. Now, before you can divide this base number, you must understand that the base you're dealing with should be considered. We are considering base 10 right away. But before we could do that, we will need to find the factors of base 10 that will help us divide 125 in base 10. Now, don't forget, the limit of base 10 numbers are from 0, 1, 2 to 9. Base 10 number stops at 9. So you take each of these factor or each of this number that we have in this enclosed set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use each of these factor to multiply with the divisor. Use each of these factor to multiply with the divisor. This method I'm giving to you right now should be the method you apply for every other base number that you are dividing. Use the factors or the limit of the base number you're dealing with to multiply with the divisor. Here is the dividend and here is the divisor. Dividend, divisor. So I'll be multiplying 5 times each of this number. And since it's a base 10 number, you know the result we're going to have will not be so difficult to get. So I'll start with 5 times 0. My answer is 0. 5 times 1. My answer is 5. 5 times 2. My answer is 10. 5 times 3. My answer is 15. 5 times 4. My answer is 20. Please note this. 5 times 2, your answer is 10. And I choose to write 10 directly. Why? Because 10 is not a base 10 number. So I'll divide 10 by 10. My answer will be 1, remainder 0. I'll write the remainder as a real answer and carry the 1 to the other side. If I drop that 1, I'll still get what looks like 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 is not a base 10 number. I'll divide 15 by 10. My answer will be 1, remainder 5. I'll write the remainder as the actual answer and carry 1 to the other side. Since there's no number there, I'll drop it down. It will still look like 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 is not a base 10 number. So I'll divide 20 by 10. My answer will be 2, remainder 0. I'll write the remainder as the actual answer. I'll carry the 2 to the other side. Since there's no number there, I'll drop down the 2. I'll still get what looks like 20. That's why we have here 10, 15, 20. So 5 times 5 is 25, the same thing. Is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. And 5 times 9 is 45. We are done using the limit of base 10 numbers to multiplying the divisor. And here are our respective answers. These answers will be like a guide to help you divide 125 base 10 by 5 base 10. Now, if we want to divide that, we're going to have this structure out. 125 divided by 5. They are in base 10, the two of them. 5 cannot go into 1, but 5 can go into 12. Now, what was the product that gave you a number that is 12 or close to 12? What was that product? Here is it. 5 times 2 gave us a number close to 12, which is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So I'm going to write 2 here. So it means 5 in 12 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Drop down your 5. We have not altered it. We've not made use of it. 2 take away 0 is 2. 1 take away 1 is 1. It's out. We're left with 25 here. 5 cannot go into 2, but 5 can go into 25. What was the number that gave us 25 in our products or close to 25? This is it. 5 times 5 gave us 25. So I'm going to put here 5. 5 times 5 will give us 25, and the answer is 0. We're done dividing. Let's try another example. You're asked to divide 1,565 in base 10 divided by 5 in base 10. Let me see use 5 as a divisor, because I've already multiplied 5 by the limit of base 10, and we have this result out. So to do that, draw your line. 1, 5, 6, 5. Your 5 outside. 5 cannot go into 1, but 5 can go into 15. This is it. And that number is 3 that gave us 15. So put the 3 up here. That will give us 15. Subtract. Drop down 5. Drop down 6. This is already 0. This is already 0. So we're left with 65. 5. What number gave us 65? Let me use 6. 5 into 6. That is 1. 5 times 5 is 1 times 5 is 5. Drop down 5. That is 1. Then 5 cannot go into 1, but 5 can go into 15. And that number is 3 that gave us 15. So I'll put a 3. That will give us 15. Subtract, that is 0. So you can see that our answer is 313. That is 313. So if you divide 1565 by 5, your answer will be 313. So this is the method you use in dividing numbers, base numbers. And I've shown you how to go about that of the base 10. Let's try another example. Let's try another example. Let me clean it because we're using those factors to dealing with the problem. Let me try another example, the final example, still on base 10. So in our next other class, we shall be looking at other bases. I said the first thing you must do, multiply the divisor by the limit of the base you are dealing with. And we are dealing with base 10 right away. Let's try 490 divided by 5. 490 base 10 divided by 5 base 10. So let's do that. 490, 5 outside. 5 cannot go into 4. So we're going to look at 49. What number gave us 49? A number close to 49. That is 5 times 9 gave us 45. So I'll write here 9. That'll be 45. Subtract. Drop down 0. 9 take away 5 is 4. 4 take away 4 is 0. So that is out. We're left with 40. What number will give us 40? That is 8. Look at it here. Good. So I'll write here 8. That will be 40. Subtract, that is 0. So 490 in base 10 divided by 5, our answer will be 98. 98. So we've seen how to go about that. All you need to do first, I said, to understand the base you're dealing with, find out the limit of that base. If it is a base 5 number, it means the limit will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to multiply the divisor by these factors 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your result will guide you properly on how to go about dividing other base numbers. In our next other class, we shall be looking at other base numbers. Today we've dealt with base 10 just to help us have a good foundation when dividing numbers in base number system. So please go through this as you open up to the new package for other bases. You are going to have a better understanding. So see you in our next other class.